Annex Grey 250, designed to be added onto awnings such as the Commodore Dawn or the Ambassador Dawn. Comes as standard with your acrylic material to match the awning, so it's breathable. It's also fibre dyed at source, so the colour will not fade on the Annex. As you can see, you have got 3 windows. On each window you've got external blinds, so they can be rolled down, zip down the sides, and they also have a zip on the bottom, so you can completely seal the blind up. Depending on what you're using the Annex for, you can buy an optional inner tent, so if you're sleeping you can put an inner tent inside. What is also good about the Annex, if you're not using it for sleeping and you're using it for storage, you have got the external door. So that means you can open it up. If you're storing your barbecue or your bikes, you can then access them through the Annex on the outside rather than going through your awning where your nice living space is. All of our Annexes, you will zip onto the awning, so you'd unzip the side panel of your actual awning, zip the Annex on, and they all come with a secondary zip, so you can also zip your side panel back in. So again, if you're using it for sleeping or for storage, you can zip your panel back in and can keep it completely hidden. Measurements of the Annex is 150 in depth, 250 wide. Gives you a great living space or great extra space for storage, or you can also fit, if you are sleeping, a good sized double air bed.